Welcome to Mega Auto World, where today we take a trip back in time to celebrate an American classic that defined muscle car culture and cruising style, the legendary Oldsmobile Cutlass. This iconic nameplate, born in the early 1960s and evolving through the decades, is more than just a car. It's a symbol of an era when performance, comfort, and unmistakable design came together in perfect harmony. Whether you're a dedicated collector, a muscle car enthusiast, or simply someone who loves automotive history, the Oldsmobile Cutlass remains a shining example of timeless American engineering. The story of the Oldsmobile Cutlass begins in 1961 as a compact car, but it quickly transformed into one of the most popular and beloved midsize models of the 1960s and 70s. By the time the late 60s rolled around, the Cutlass had grown into a muscle car legend, with models like the 442 stealing the spotlight. The 442 variant, named for its 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, and dual exhaust, delivered heart-pounding performance and became an icon on drag strips and highways across America. From its sleek fastback design to its roaring V8 engines, the Cutlass captured the spirit of speed and style that defined the golden age of American muscle cars. One of the key reasons the Oldsmobile Cutlass stood out was its ability to blend performance with comfort. While it offered powerful engines, ranging from small block to big block version 8s, it also maintained a level of refinement that appealed to a wide audience. Inside, the Cutlass provided spacious seating, upscale materials, and the kind of smooth ride that made it equally at home on long road trips or weekend cruises. It was this balance of muscle and luxury that helped the Cutlass dominate the sales charts, even surpassing some of its Chevrolet and Pontiac cousins in popularity. Through the 1970s, the Cutlass lineup continued to evolve, with standout models like the Cutlass Supreme becoming household names. By 1976, the Cutlass had become the best-selling car in America, a remarkable achievement in a highly competitive market. Whether you preferred the sporty 442, the stylish Supreme, or the practical Cutlass S, there was a model for everyone. Even as the muscle car era faced challenges from rising fuel prices and stricter emissions regulations, the Cutlass managed to maintain its appeal by offering a combination of classic styling and reliable performance. Today, the Oldsmobile Cutlass is a sought-after collector's car, cherished by enthusiasts who appreciate its rich history and iconic design. Restored examples turn heads at car shows, while original survivors remind us of a time when American carmakers weren't afraid to combine bold looks with big power. From its distinctive grille and flowing lines to the unmistakable sound of a rumbling V8, the Cutlass continues to capture the hearts of car lovers worldwide. So whether you remember cruising in one back in the day or you're just discovering this classic now, the Oldsmobile Cutlass remains a true legend of American automotive history, a car that perfectly embodies the spirit of style, performance, and nostalgia. Thanks for watching Mega Auto World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys through the most iconic cars of all time.